You like it, Jal? I keep on I go to mommy. Jalila, you tear up the rubbish bin something? Okay, but when you're crossing the road, you have to give me a hand, you hear? Who starts having random pains? You see your face? Stop, you want to lift up now because you want to sleep and sleep from morning. I'm not lift you because I go jump asleep in the care farm. Jonathan, I'm going to make Johnny the trip first, yeah? Add the new trim first. Alright then, go on now. May I take a picture? Go. Hey, pose again, Jalil. Whoa, yeah, Jalil. Hey, yeah, man. Ooh, I love that. Yes, Jalil, I like that pose. Yes, that's good. Come, Papa. You know, so I'm going to put in a name for some modeling. You're really doing well. Eh? No, man, it's okay. We can go take the bus now. We can go take it now. No, taxi, sir. Just a bus and a misspoke. We're going to take a taxi. I'm say I'm mad wherever. We're not going so far. I said you can't say those things. I don't know what it means. Did he wipe off his shoes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? No, don't go around there, so. Okay, may stay right here. Yeah?
IDK.
What does ID? Bro, I can just tip because that's all.
Let me look. Let me look.
All gone. You kiss me? I love you.
LOL.
Well, I don't care.
Slay your thoughts. AFK.
What does sus mean? You can't go. I'm going to have to lift you back, Jalila, and put you back up here, so. Come to me. Huh? Is my hand so?
Yeah.
Oh, that's how I did?
Jalila, go for my Password?
There is no password to kissing you. There has never been a password to kiss you. Ever before in life. Kiss me now. Kiss me right now. I'm not talk to you. You can't do that. There's no way you can do that. Yeah. Oh, you jump up. How I do it? What does IDK mean?
I'm IDC.
What does IDC mean?
I don't care.
Very good. What does IDK mean?
I don't care.
No. IDK. What does no start with? Spell no, let me hear. Like I know your name. Spell no, let me hear.
Yeah.
Very good. KNOW. So IDK is?
I don't know.
Good job. Come this way. Yes, just have come to me. Oh, you're bad. You're horrible. You're so horrible.
Don't know what day it is, but I know that I wanna spend it with you. One act so innocent, be careful to know that I'm telling the truth. Sorry I made you love me. Sorry you weren't one. Sorry I made you love me. Sorry I'm who you adore. I was just born
Here by accident.
That's why I'm more up on the bed for me full up her ear too. Yeah, no, I didn't buy it in here. Jaleel, oh, if you're a girl work, I not call the taxi yet. I have work.
I did that apple.
I heard you, but you told me that you're going to work, right? That's what you said.
Coffee.
What you want to drink? You want orange juice or coffee?
Orange juice. You're a bird then. I made me fall.
Say drink juice and the juice make it strong.
And then I tape it with the movie.
And then what?
And tape it with the movie.
And what?
And tape it.
Jaleel is speaking some serious tongues, which I admire, but I just can't translate. Jackie, you mean Jackie? Jaleel, what up your neck? Turn around. Let me see your neck. Let me see your neck. Jaleel, come here, because you're my son. I love Oma. Come here, let me see your neck. I look like Gigi. Oh, come on, my grandma. Jaleel, you're biting me.
Jaleel.
I come in, Jonathan. You know to do them something there.
Instead of from he was 6, you know to play this game.
How old is Carrie?
About 9 years old, so he know like all of the secrets. And then the secret in the town.
You keep on doing that and I'm saying every time I do it, I'm going to slap you. You see, every time I do that, Jaleel, I am slapping you because I'm going to teach you how to behave so. Go for the belt in the pink room. Go for the belt in the pink room.
No.
Let me see your neck. Oh.
Mommy, look here. Look here. Try this.
And I beat me, see? See what you get? Which one I put that? Kwani, talk to him. Kwani, talk to him.
Kwani?
Oh, Kwani is my friend because you have a friend named Kwani, don't you?
Yeah, I don't cut bad word.
Alright, I don't think my Kwani cuts bad word. Huh?
Mommy, look, I'm making money.
You call the taxi? You call the taxi already?
Money.
Of course you make. How much money you make?
5,000, 9 million and 100,000.
What? What? Where's the figure? Me feel like this is big as a robbery. Jesus, them I take it back. Oh no, you have throw money. Where you get this money from? Jonathan, come guy your bed. A rob somewhere? Is a rabbis? Jonathan, is a rabbis in Roblox? Jonathan, I'm gonna take rabbis. Rabbis. Jesus of His mercy. I'm gonna cut my car, bro. God, me nah have nothing to do with this. Did he call me, though, Mama? Who called me a while ago?
Nobody.
Yeah, man. Jaleel call me? You call me? You can't spit it out. That is the apple. You're spitting out the apple where you say you want.
No, you have to peel it, you know, eat it.
But I'm asking first of all, I'm Avan Panty. Because I know something like her clothes. I'm Avan Panty, so don't come from the comments. I am Avan Draz. So, last night, this morning, you couldn't sleep at all. Went to my bed after 3. Oh, I know. Because my message, my mom and me, I say, yo, can't sleep, my boy. I will hear my phone go off. I'm going to check this man after 3, but I was still up. But when I have nights like that where I can't sleep, I put the boys on top of me. And then I sleep with them. So I put Jaleel here, so Jonathan over here, so. And because in my mind, I don't want them move. I'm going to wait them. So I stay still to my drop asleep. That is what I would usually have to do. So that's what I did last night. And then I'm going to drop asleep this morning after 3. Working on amazing stuff. So I'm gonna see it here in the vlog. Pomi Fitness, we are working on a workout plan. A workout plan, yes. And it's not, I really want it to be for sale because then I can make some really quick money. But I really want, I want everything I'm gonna do to be about money. You get what I say? And I can watch these videos on YouTube. Now the only thing is, these workout plans, people spend upwards $50. I spent $70 already on a plan. $50 and 20 something dollars on a plan. $70. My Pomi Fitness belt is $55. Let that sink in, and that's for the month, right? Shit, I don't want to put it in there like that. And that's for the month, isn't it? So when I say for the month, I mean they get new workouts every week, and some of them repeat the workouts. The workout plan that we're working on, nothing is repeated. So every single week you have a brand new workout. So every single day is a brand new workout. So you'll be working out every single day, brand newly for 30 days. The results that you're going to get is going to be absolutely amazing. It's a 6-day program. You rest when your body tells you to rest. I don't like programs that has rest days in them. Personally, I don't like when people tell me what to do. So I'm gonna buy the plan for $70. I'm gonna do it all I want to. Plus, and the workouts that I did, they were so not challenging. So this one is challenging. This one is designed to challenge you. So for the month of December, we'll be doing our baby plan. Baby, B-A-B-Y, building a better you. And for that time period, we're going to have workouts for each week. For the very first week in December, I was thinking I was in this month, but in December, the first month in this, the first week in December, this part is called "Nah Waste Time." Yes, Julia. So you want me for from your chocolate tea so you can go work?
Yeah, you had to do it.
Alright, Jelly. Adapt me and do right. So if you look, adapt me and do. I'm actually making the tea now. So if you just wait. Yep, so it's called the baby plan. Building a better you. Go this way, I'm going to take up the hot water. Building a better you. No, it's too hot.
Okay.
I'm not going to burn my hand, but thank you. Okay, so spoke with the supplier, gave her my, did I tell you guys, or was it Snapchat? I don't know. I've been snapping a lot. I snap more than I do on Instagram. I put a lot on Instagram, but I put exclusive things only on Snapchat. Okay, so spoke with the supplier. So more show now what the new belt them are gonna look like. All right, so excuse the mess that you are seeing in the background, but want a wide shot. So this is the width of the belt now, right? Remember, this belt company that I've always used. Excuse me. Sorry, I always use belt company. So when I saw this design floating, I was like, bet, that's the design that I'm going to do. I've never gotten a belt like this. If I had bought it from another company, I would have known to tweak mine earlier, but I didn't. I got the stock and I recognize the stock not going to work. So this is it now. The new so it's like, oh, this is this length. The new length is going to be, it's going double the size. My try hold it up so they can see. So the new length I gonna be, hold on there, I gonna be this. So now gonna be single or wrap around. So see that wrap around so alone, it's gonna wrap around so now. So that means say it's gonna start from down here so. So here so, down there so gone in already. But what I know, we're not gonna make it thin. Mommy did do an experiment. She did a hack. I hope I can put, if I post in this vlog, it's going to be portrait, because I was filming for Snapchat again. So mommy did double fear large and then she wrap it around it. So when she double it, blood cleanse. This is the thickness that we'll be working with now. So not this, because we are going to have them double the thickness. So whenever you pour me, or those who own on pour me, fold it, or the one where you have a still like this, the designer, fold it and then wrap it on so that tighten up blood cleanse. So that is going to be ours. So the width will be increased, the thickness will be increased, but the length will stay. Oh, a lie, we'll be increasing the length as well. So we're going to have 4 sizes. So again, what I'm going to do is, for the stock that we have now, so this medium will become the extra small, and the large that we have now in stock will become the medium. The newer designs now will be the large and the extra large. But hold on, I asked them if they can make a 5M. because they don't have 5M, you know. 5M going to be long na blood cleanse. So that extra large there with that thickness there, I am just praying. But if not, again, remember with the first Puma designs, we did designs like 4 times before we got the remember said them did shorter. Now we got the length that we wanted, but that was after trial and trial. As in, so now that I nip it in the bud, the only design flaw that would be left is when we get the 5M, which will be the extra large. I'll see how that thickness goes. So for them new stock, they know them new stock there. I just the price alone I got pressure me because I don't know what the money been, because obviously it's completely different. Them I got charged me to make it. Alright. So yeah, so I do not want the price to pass $75 because my aim is for nobody in Jamaica to pay $10,000 for a Pome Fitness. So I've been asking for those of you who want to know something. I talk to them, my fans, my subbies, my supporters, whatever you call myself. Yeah, so I'm sending some DMs and stuff, and I'm asking about design and stuff. So we're gonna have a payment plan, but you know some honey. So the payment plan gonna be a pum plan. Payment under management, cause sometimes shit not a manners. I see my brand now. We do it holistically. The baby plan, building a better you. Sometimes shit not a manners. Management. You need to get a management, girl. And then it's financial. So it's a whole thing for me, because you know how I am. I know what them say about. Alright, we're done. Flip it and reverse it. Alright, so that's going to be it. And that's what I have to tell you guys. And that's what I'm excited about. So today is Sunday. So I'm waiting for her to get back to me. Once she gets back to me, then I'll know for sure what the money is going to look like. Oh God, I know the extra large is going to be more, but you know my thing. Wait, I'm not doing this on Google. You know, some of them want the money to be nothing big, and I get the acetone to be nothing big. So I could see how it go, but that's the aim of the plan. Pum plan, payment under management, baby plan, building a better you, home fitness, pigments of my imagination. Jonathan walks slow. Yeah? No acetone? Alright, so this is the belt. That's my real body, and I don't normally push it through the loop. Because I always put on my belt. I'm taking it off for content to show you guys how to do the different wraps. They're all on Pome Fitness, so please follow Pome Fitness. But I'm just showing guys live and how I wrap. Sometimes I get the wrap properly, sometimes I don't. I am still working on the perfect wrap, but I just want to make this absolutely clear. Your body does move. If you follow Pome Fitness on Instagram, you'll see I'm actually working out to see the belt actually does move. And I'm going to address this whole moving thing because it's a design, and if your body moves, the belt are gonna move.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour, all day. Me and my bees go sour, looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite. But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life.
Guys, look how small the belts can be wrapped up to. Jalil had on this one, him take it off. Excuse me, look at how small. I believe in this design. I love it so much. I love it, love it, love it. So I can't wait for it to be perfected. And I already told you guys the new sizing chart that we'll be working with. So yeah, so we're just waiting for the supplier to get back to me. Once they do, I just sell off the amount of between for sell off so I can order them fresh one day. So I'm gonna dig it that weekend and again, guys. Next weekend I'm gonna go Mobile. I'm gonna get Mobile next weekend. I'm going to be at the Witter Village and at Fairview. I'm going to do half an hour at Witter Village and half an hour at Fairview because it's that weekend is already spoken for, and I really wanted to meet up with you guys. Witter Village, they were the shopping center there. One supermarket. We go there with Auntie Jill one time. Montego Bay, yeah. And then Fairview, I think it's Iron Shore, but Fairview is where something there is. Fontana is, I think.
Further down.
Yeah.
That's what you going to.
Yeah, so Witter Village, because when we ask them, I forgot them, so Witter Village and Fairview.
Witter Village.
In Mobile.
You reach when you reach it before you reach where you going.
Oh,
You going down.
nice.
Fontana, not far from. What are you going to be at Fontana Pharmacy?
No man, that's where it is. I just adjusted it for a landmark.
Okay.
But not going to be there.
What you say down here from my girl again?
It's Jalil do it here. It's Jalil. Make an have nature and Jalil if I go and find finish out to have bush. Come Jalil. Jesus Christ. Hillside Baptist.
Come.
So I'm going to drive past all of this and worship the Lord. It's a rough, you know? Can you imagine how much money for this?
You can imagine? There's like a big house up here now. You know that?
Eh?
Yes, you know a big house up here.
What if we go in a Sunday morning time and then come and heal? The church.
No, there going to be houses here too.
I don't know who own it. You know, somebody feel like nobody own up here. I feel like somebody try to chop it, the land.
You can find out, yeah?
Jalil.
Creep on the floor, get up.
You ready?
You see this little boy fierce? No, it's like an apartments like Phoenix. Says that, yeah. I don't know. Like what how Phoenix have? Yeah man, they do. I can give me try to turn in the post office here in the other one. Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, right in here, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Charlie, the whole of your bag was something.
I can see it inside.
How much? How much for the express? 8,500 blood cleanse. I can't afford that. I'm just going to do the regular then. And a 2 to 4 weeks though. With DHL. You guys, express shipping to Florida is $8,500. Yeah, when me there ship at these 6,000, I'm gonna buy $2 grand. Yes, they took a beanie pick me. What do you yes? I don't need it anymore. Oh, hi baby. If I want to come up here, then I have to bed them with a foot after. Say, I have to say, I am man. I am man. So, it looks sweeter. Listen to me now. I want you shrimp. Yeah, girl, I love you. Oh, thank you. Dear, Sophie. We have to come back. They sell the padded envelopes at the post office, which is great because we pick up the boys from school and watch ya. The whole of the envelope went out. the whole envelope. So them sell them up as for 3 something, and then I'm gonna ship it. Everything under $1,000. That is why I'm doing the free shipping, and me I will withstand the cost for the shipping, but it takes 2 to 4 weeks. I'm started. So I'm gonna take it back from here. Oh. Did you get $1,000? Yeah. Alright then. So take pay for that and to ship it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Take time to have grandmother for the phone. You finishing coffee tea? Oh.
Coffee tastes like poop. I shout
Yeah, you're shouting. Come on, no. Mark on the mama, go in the room. So press it? No. I'm glad I'm going to Gigi. I so come. I so come.
I want to come too.
I so come to tell her grandma on the phone of the clients. Glad I'm so come. I go to Gigi. Stop now, come. I go to Gigi now, come. Jonathan, what the other charger there? The charger you have mine. Okay, go.
It's right here.
Alright, now go to my little feet. That's like, oh. That is not the one.
No, for your mother saying up here.
I don't mind a Rwandan. A Rwandan. It has to be. Because I don't mind, I don't have no razor, I don't mind. Which drawer? Oh, thank God. I can wonder, remember that asked if I want a stick razor? Yeah.
It depends on the cabinet in this. What we do them if you fight a punch that
Yes, sir?
yeah, if I miss the pass it 2 or I shoot because of the white.
Whatever look me I eat, my belly just get really full of me and I'm like, so the fuck said this? I'm hungry, you know? Hungry till my week. And me I eat and make my belly full, I'm gonna reach nowhere.
Big food, very white.
I love the slippers there, see? Nice. It's comfortable though.
Oh, yes, so you're in here to put on. No, I was sleep now.
I have a lie down, yes, but oh, how that happen? Like you just leave sitting for your running nose. I got my bed.
You know, I run again?
Yep.
You know how any
I don't know, but I have to go low. Thank you, my love. So this is your large Pony Fitness. When I put it on, send pics here. And me send the video if I put it on already, don't it?
I think so.
Yes, yeah. Right, if not, me listen it till I reach up. Should I have them?
Send it to me.
Alright then, and send me a picture and large that body I go look good, my love.
Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Oh, and it's right. Is it exact change, right?
7,000.
Yeah, no, 7.5.
Let me go for the 5.
Okay, yes. Alright then. She gone for the rest of the money. Yeah. Excuse me. Alright, hi guys. I have belt deliveries today. I have the boys today, which means I have to carry them to school. I don't know if I have a vehicle yet. So it was just stressing me out how to I have to go pick up mommy and grandma at the hotel where they're at. Cause mommy, she mama did go down for mommy birthday. Her birthday was the 29th of November. I have to leave the birthday, mommy, again. Yeah, I use one shirt to wrap my head. Yeah, so them go down, so I'm gonna go for them. So I don't know if I have anxiety with that. I don't know. I mean, my anxiety is so weird, but I thinking just like about the boys. And remember, my cousin of the school of Jonathan go. Not another day of cussing from my mouth because I'm teacher. But I'm explain to her how to the set. You see me? Boy, I'm grateful to me the type of parent or the type of human where we talk to you. Like me make you know what I want. You see me? And again, I don't know, God, I'm just grateful. And I'm just grateful. She said it is revision that Jonathan doing. Because I'm worried, I'm worried about that aspect, like education, because I've been sick for so long. I remember I never go to school for 2 weeks. Oh my God, it's just Jesus Christ, man. But anyway, so it's revision, so I tell her that to send it to me. I will definitely ensure that it's done because me of them today. I'm gonna know what else to do. You see me? So, and it's the equivalent to me having a traditional 9 to 5 and like asking my boss for time off or something or whatever the case may be. So the good thing is with the boys, I can actually, this is so cool. With the boys, I can actually have their work. Them work can actually do. So they're not gonna miss nothing. Once me get it, them work do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to head to the post office now. I have a delivery to a shipment to that post office. I have 2 nuts for the inquiries, but they haven't sent over the bagging information. I'm not gonna sit up and get it. So if anything, so the whole day today I'll be delivering pony. So I'll be in Portmore, Spanish Town, Kingston. I'll be driving to Rochester. No, this not go up today. And then I'm gonna talk to you. Right, so I've been just so worried. Oh my God, Holy Spirit, I am genuinely worried. Okay. Alright, so let's go, because I have to hurry and get on the road and just get her done. I love you, Papa.
I love you. Ready now.
Ready now. Alright, then I'm going. Serious if I won't need. Oh, okay. Blood cleanse. Oh, what a treasure there. Let's be honest, just a show, man. Oh, this is another on top, right? Yeah. When people are driving us up in a roundabout, let them know that them have the right guana. Mighty God of Daniel, guys, my nervous to till. Horrible anxiety. Not this yellow blood cleanse. The wrong one, sir. I'm explaining to you about when Lyrica drive. He's a man. Him, the drunkard, guys. I try to come in pan. Yes, pie. Blood cleanse. How was that, Papa? Sugar daddy, this drunk. What is happening? happening here? The boys are in the car. That's why the Holy Spirit made me carry them. My God, him. He's a drunk girl. You don't know which girl this here, sir? You don't know which girl? Some snacks by the new gas station. Right, I'm gonna turn the AC in a hot by the new gas station. The pizza? No, it's for you and Jonathan. It's for you and John. Jonathan, it's for you and John. And I don't force me until it stop forcing people. Jonathan, I don't want any. I bought it for you and John. I love you. I want you to have something fun to eat while we're trying to don't papa. Don't do that. John, this is your snack. So wanna go, Jonathan?
You're doing a very good job taking care of us.
Why you just say that's out of the blue? Why just say that's out of the blue? Because I bought snacks?
I will be charged the whole night everything else. Because of everything.
I love you, Jonathan. I can get one kiss on camera so them can see kiss him up on their mouth, please. Please, Jonathan. No, not on the cheek anymore. Oh my God, the car. Kiss now? That wasn't a kiss. Exactly, that was a lip touch, not a kiss. I'm not coming out, just going through the toll, that's all. I'm not coming out, I'm just going through the toll, that's all. Johnny, come over, come over. Please stop acting like that. Come over.
Thank you. All right.
I think we should go to the front of the car.
Had Mr. Trinidad elected to plead guilty, in all likelihood, his sentence would have been less, because if he waives his right to appeal, he could have spared them that, and he did not. He was punished appropriately with the maximum sentence permissible under the law. That was a pretty sizable sentence.
I saw the signs, and it came easy. You took your time, like you never wanted to speak your mind. Would you believe me? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you're wanting more, show me something. Don't just me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive.